Hi, I'm Malton Scheck-Snyder. I'm a physical therapist and clinical director at Spine and Joint Specialist of Louisville, Kentucky. What I wanted to do is take a few minutes to talk to my colleagues, the physical therapists out there, and show you a tool that I use in conjunction with the therapeutic exercises and the physical agents that we use to treat patients with lower back problems. That specific tool is the Victory Unloader Back Brace. Now, being a physical therapist, having taught physical therapists for many years, what I know is in the back of your mind is, well, I don't use a back brace. I don't like to use a back brace because it weakens the abdominals and it provides the patient gets used to it and over-dependent on it, those kinds of things. Well, I'm here to tell you that none of that has ever been substantiated. All of that, those thoughts of weakening the abdominals and making a person dependent came from a position paper by a physician way back in the early 70s. And since then, there have been study after study after study that have shown that the use of a back brace is actually beneficial. And the reason that it's beneficial from a mechanical standpoint is that one of the things that we're trying to do is to offset some of the load that's on the lower back. And this particular brace, because of its design, will actually create an unloading effect in the facet joints as well as some unloading effect in the spinal discs themselves. And as a result, you take pressure off the facet joints and you take potential pressure off of the exiting spinal nerves as they're exiting the spine. The other thing that we use the back brace for is that if you study the medical literature is very explicit in its description of the best resources for treating back pain. And number one, by far and away, is to keep our patients active. That is the most important reason why we, as far as a rehabilitation tool, that we want to, our main focus is to keep patients active. Now, by using a brace that not only has mechanical advantages to the spine, the brace also instills confidence in the patient that they can be active. So instead of being a couch potato and laying around and basically babying their condition, we can now get the brace on them, get them active, get them moving, and keep them moving, which is going to facilitate the healing process. So for those reasons, we use this particular back brace as a tool to augment what we're doing in the clinic. Now, you might say that, well, any back brace will do. And believe me, I've tried all of the back braces on the market, and by far and away, the Victory back brace does the job better and is more effective than any brace I've used. So for that reason, I choose the Victory back brace. If you have any questions, like to talk to me about any of the ways that we treat back problems, happy to talk to you. You can email me at malton@backpainreliefsecrets.com, and I'll be happy to share any information I have with you. Thank you, and look forward to talking to you.